Hey, this is Modern Day Trading. This is some live footage from September 15, 2016. Watching VFC right here, look like it's about to turn. Yep, it's got short right there. Just making sure it's gonna hold underneath that 0.50. Now that I got in 300 shares short VFC with the stop right above 0.51, I made the clip 3 times the speed. What I'm looking for is a break below the whole number, and hopefully there's more selling pressure once that breaks down. Hit the whole number really quick, bouncing off, small bounce off of it. Bouncing off a little bit. Coming to retest the whole number now. Alright, it just broke the whole number, but it didn't break down, and that was my plan to begin with. So I'm not feeling too optimistic about this trade, and I'm willing to start getting out if it reverses on me, like around this area. Usually I'm looking for more weakness once the whole number breaks, but in that case where it just broke by a few cents and quickly bounces back, I'm hesitant to keep the trade on. And yeah, this is where I'm pretty much just getting out my last piece for flat. Wasn't the best trade, didn't work out like expected, but I'll take a small win and move on to next trade. So this is NBLX, the IPO, it's gapped up, so I just instantly bought it. Just broke up by a few more new high, so I just bought some more right there. I'm pretty aggressive with IPOs that are gapped up over 10% and have some volume, because usually it means a strong interest and continues to move higher. Got a pretty bad average price, but hopefully this 0.50 holds, and I might add another 100 shares at a better price. Now I got 200 shares. I made the clip 2 times the speed, so I got another 100 shares, average price 300 shares at 0.69 with a stop below 0.50, so about 20 cents and some slippage, 300 shares. So yeah, this is currently 2x speed. It's looking ready to break that previous high. Looks strong. Yep, there you go, broke that. Looking pretty good. Usually for IPOs, I'm hoping for one of those ladder moves. Once it breaks a new high, that high becomes support. So I'll usually look to trail some after it breaks. So if it has enough strength and it holds, I can just keep going. But if it breaks down, I'll take some profits in that area. And in this case, it kind of looks like that'll be the case. I didn't really like my average price, so I took off 200. Majority of my position's gone. Just keeping 100 to my original stop, which is the low of the IPOs. Coming back to my price a little bit. Wasn't really a huge move, but hopefully it can keep going higher. Ooh. So yeah, happy I took off 200 shares near the top area. Like I said, I usually trail it once it breaks a new high or a whole number, hoping that it just keeps laddering up. But in this case, it didn't, which is good. It's bouncing off the lows. Added a little bit more held. So I added a little bit more back to 300 shares, stop below that. I don't feel too optimistic about this one, so I pretty much just took a really quick small gain back to 100 shares. Just pretty much paying for this last 100 shares if it does stop me out with some slippage. Probably wasn't the best move, but I just didn't feel too confident in the trade. And after I added, I decided just to take what I can get for now. Only have 100 shares. I don't think it's enough, reach highs or break it. Volume's starting to slow down, so I don't feel too bad just taking the 200 shares for almost nothing, but holding 100 just in case it does run up. I sped the clip up to 10x speed right now because the trade's pretty much done. I only have 100 shares left, so there's not much going on. I'm not complaining though. It's only 50 minutes into the trading day, 10:20, currently up $180. Thanks for watching, guys.